Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. How are you all? Basics of Chemistry Samaj International, Lecture 7. Let's take again that example. Now you are standing in space and in front of you, how many things are there? 118 things. 118 things. You are the creator, you are the maker of 118 things first time. Got it? And the name of all these 118 things are hydrogen, oxygen, chlorine, fluorine, bromine, iodine, all these names which are written in your periodic table. Got it? 118 things you have made. And you named them hydrogen, oxygen, just like this. Okay, fine. But we know very well about it that on our planet Earth, how many things are there? Countless things are there. Only 118 things are there? No, not at all. Countless things are there. So how is, and everything is made up of atom. Yes, the board is made up of atom. The marker is made up of atom. Sir Asif is made up of atom, and you too is made up of atom. But sir, you are saying that only 118 things? Now how is it possible that all these things are made? Wait. What you are going to do? You are going to make some more things. But how? Let's take an example. For example, you have hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. You are going to make the most important thing on earth. You are going to make the most important thing on earth. This hydrogen gas is a thing. Be careful about it. A thing. A different thing. And this oxygen gas is a thing. A different thing. You are going to combine these different things. You are going to combine these different things. Okay? Then, what would be the result? This is a gas. You are combining this gas. What you will make? The liquid called water. Interesting thing. You are making things with the combination of these things. These things are called elements. You are combining elements and making different things. This water is actually the combination of hydrogen and oxygen, like this H2O. This H2O or water is called compound. Why it is called compound? Because the definition of compound is all things which are made up of different atoms. Things which are made up of different atoms. Got it? So, how many things you have now? 118 things, and one more thing, water. These 118 things are called elements, and this one thing is called compound. Now you have 119 things are there. So, we know very well about it that in our world, only 119 things are not present. Countless things are there. Wait for a while. You are going to make another thing. With the help of this hydrogen. You are taking this hydrogen gas again. You have a lot of molecules of hydrogen gas and a lot of molecules of oxygen gas. Got it? So, you are taking hydrogen gas molecule H2 and you are taking another thing, chlorine gas Cl2. Now you are combining these two different things, these two elements, and making another very interesting thing, HCl. This is an acid, hydrochloric acid, and this acid is also a compound because it is made up of different atoms. Now how many things you have? 118, 119, 120 things are there. Be careful. Out of these 120 things, 118 things are called element because all those things are made up of same type of atoms. And two things are called compounds, water and hydrochloric acid. Again you are going to make, you are using this hydrogen. Look, the variety of use of hydrogen gas, the variety of use of hydrogen gas. You are taking hydrogen and you are taking sulfur and you are taking oxygen again, H2SO4, sulfuric acid, the third thing you have made, hydrogen H2O, hydrogen HCl, hydrogen. What you are going? You are making blends of things. You are combining this hydrogen with sulfur and oxygen, and you have made sulfuric acid. You are combining this hydrogen gas with chlorine, and you have made hydrochloric acid. You have combined this hydrogen gas with oxygen, and you have made water. Again you have combined this hydrogen gas with oxygen gas, but in a different way, and you have made hydrogen peroxide. Surprised? Yes, this is the way. And very simple. Let me give you another example. Likewise, you have made all these things which are present around you, in your room, in this our world, the earth, the mountains, the sun, the oceans, the rivers, each and everything. 99% things are there. 99% things around you are actually compounds made up of variety of atoms. Got it? 99% of things are there in our world are actually compounds. But the interesting fact is that you have made all these compounds or things around you with the help of those 118 basic things which were called elements. And how did you make elements? With the help of combining same type of atoms. Got it? So lecture number 7 is enough. Now I am leaving a question for you. The combination is enough? To combine atoms is enough? Only we need to combine atoms? Enough? For example, you need to make a wall. I am leaving a question. For you. You need to make a wall. You need bricks. And what will you do? You will combine all these bricks. Yes, it is what you are doing. You are combining. So my question is, the combining is enough to the bricks? To combine all the bricks is enough? Or in a simple wording, to combine all the atoms is enough to make element or compound? This is the question. Got it? We will discuss on this question in our next video. Take care of yourself. Again, no like, no subscribe. Only share.